Hi, I'm Mohammed Farraz. I'm currently pursuing in commerce field in New College. I want to transact. I want to change my career to an IT sect. So I wanted to do data analytics. So I wanted to choose institution for it. So I searched in many institutions. My friend recommended me to CADD Centre. I attended their workshop once and I really liked it. So that's how it happened. So I just joined here. Now it's much better because before this I couldn't understand IT terms at all. Now I can understand them perfectly because my teachers helps me, my mentors help me very well. After I entered this into this course, I have found that this course allows me to learn vast amount of knowledges. Like just because I enter into data analytics, I just need not just stay in data analytics. I could even jump into data science if I want to upgrade the course, or I can even do web development because the course already covers whatever is necessary in that. So it covers wide knowledge. So I really like this course, and I am thankful that I joined in CADD.